Hello and welcome everyone to a new video. Today we'll explain rollercoin, a new season, how to get the most of it, all the rewards, etc. So let's get started. First we will go with the e-pass. Not gonna lie, the e-pass looking very good. I don't know, it's my first season in the game, but looking from it, the rewards are worth to buy it for 10 roller coins, because you will have this gold ticket miner 106, because you will have, and the e-pass right here. We got multiple tiers. We got the exclusive one where you should pay 10 roller coin to unlock, but you will unlock the exclusive rewards like this golden ticket miner right here, but you can get for free. For example, this bonus power for 3 days, this 10 gigahash miner. I don't know, you don't need to get it. You got this boost uh, with people. You get also the season token, RCS, I think they're called. This is a free miner, the train one, to sell some boost. This is an exclusive one, a small one, trophy, nothing to do with it. Season coins, more boost. Another free miner right here, token. Another exclusive miner. Got also right here for also free stuffs, and this an exclusive one. I don't know, this is this 400 or 400 or 1000. Tell me in the comment below. And this show sign also is free. And this is a big miner with 1 million, I think this is gigahash. So basically that's it. You need to complete events, daily quests. These quests update every day. Basically you need to do them. We will have the first one is complete one task. The next two quested will be win 15 games in a special game. It will change every day. It's not the same games every day. I did it already for today. Win 40 games were 80 games. That's refreshed every day, so I need to play the game every day to make them. Subscribe to their YouTube channel, subscribe to the page. You just press do it right here, and they will take you right there. Don't need to do anything, just come back and it will get you 4 XP. It's nothing, but it counts up every day. Invite one user via reference link. That means you need to invite a person via your link and make an account from your link. He will get 1000 Satoshi, and you will get some rewards from his mining. So if you want to help and support the channel, please use my reference link below to play the game. It will be a big help and support for my channel. Thank you. Next one, in open one loot box. You only have one for now. It's basically gambling. Of course I don't recommend it. You don't need to do every task every day, and it's a waste of RLT. You're getting nothing. 15 XP. The next one is spend 15 RLT token and get this is so hard to do every day if you don't have many RLT, so use my refer link below if you want to support. Again, thank you. Next one is complete 9 daily quests. It's basically complete all the quests and you will get this one extra. And I skipped one, which is the many mergers. Make any 10 mergers. Mergers is the new thing the game added right here, where if you have 2 miners, like I have this free one that you will get from playing, you need to get some parts, and with these parts you can make 2 miners, one powerful miner like this two. Every one of them is 150 gigahash. Combine them, it will make one small one that may produce 400, and it will be better for bigger ones, obviously, like this miner right here. The one give you 800 terahash. If you put two and combine them together, it will give you 2 petahash, I think, ph whatever. And this is so powerful, especially for the people on top. And if you're asking from where can you get these parts, you can get them in two ways. The first way is a new marketplace that the game added, where you can buy and sell from people what they are selling and buying. So you know, they are selling miners, they are selling many things. But let's select parts right here. From here you buy parts. You need an amount of parts for every marge, but it's worth it, especially if you have like, if you spend 5 RLT or something for combine, it will be really good. And now for the second way you can get this combination part. It's by the season store. The season store is basically you get this season coins, and you buy this craft chest. It will give you a special amount of every one of them. Of course, it will cost you 100 of them. And these other miners, they are very good, especially if you grind the game and get these coins. I will tell you how to get it. The first, you have two methods. The first one is by completing the battle pass. Basically, you can see you have this 500 here for free. You get this 500 for free. This 500, so basically you get you get 2000, 2500. You get 3000 of them by completing just the e-pass, not battle pass. And the other way is by completing the challenges. You'll find them in the main page right here. More quests. If you find daily quest, also play any game, you'll give you one. Do one task. We just showed you how. Win 15 games in 2 different games. Also, it will change every day. Win 40, 80, and make 10 merges. It will give you actually roller coins right here. And open one case. This spark case I'll show you with 100. You open one and you get 50. So you're basically paying 50 for one. And you got some weekly challenges to play every day for 5 days. 5 tasks, win 200 games, do daily quests, open 5 part chests, it will give you 100. Win 400 games, it will give you 50. Complete 33 daily quested, will give you 50. Make any purchase from weekly offers. Weekly offers are from their names. When you go to the store, say the first one, that's the weekly offers. If you want to buy one of them, and you need to spend 30 RLT. Merge miners, it will give you 100. Make 15 merges. That's huge actually. You can't do it. If you will have 100 miners and you merge them all every week, it's impossible. It will give you 100. And complete each one of them for the week. It will give you 5 RLT right here. And also you can I think, if I'm not wrong, you can also mine it, the season token, but I don't recommend it. I recommend if you don't have a huge mining power, just mine RLT, buy rigs, buy whatever, and get the others from rewards. That's what I'm planning to do, at least. And that's what the video for today. We explained you everything you need to know about the new season rollercoin, the merge system, the battle pass, the rewards, the quests, everything you need to know. If any question you have, please write it in the comments down below, I will try to answer all of them. See you in another video. Don't forget to use my reference link. Goodbye.